In this tutorial, we are going to look at the Lawgic Word Templates and Document Upgrade groups, which allow you to reveal the attached document template and to upgrade the formatting on older documents. The Lawgic Word Templates group allows you to verify what document template is attached to your document and provides tools to reattach the proper Lawgic file if needed. Sometimes a file can disassociate from a document, and the required styles will drop, leaving the document a mess. Remember, a file is just a collection of instructions to Word on how the document should look, and Lawgic uses very specific styles. Clicking on the appropriate Will or Trust button will walk you through reattaching the correct file and may repair some or all of the broken formatting. Next, click the Update TOC button, then review the document and correct any formatting issues that remain. Moving on to the Document Upgrade group, let's look at the Convert Legacy Document button. This button converts older Lawgic documents to the current formatting to allow use of the toolbar for further editing. We recommend you use the Convert Legacy Document button anytime you are unsure of the age of your document. If the file needs upgrading, a new version will be created and saved in the same location as the original file, with an appended file name. This upgraded version of the file is now ready to rename and save, or just leave it as it is to differentiate it from the older version. For printable documentation on how to use the buttons in each group, open the online help document in the Toolbar Help group on the right side of the toolbar. For questions or support, please contact support@lawgic.com.